Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt small? It's humbling, isn't it? The vast expanse above us, dotted with countless stars, each one a distant sun, makes us realize just how tiny we are in the grand scheme of things. It's a moment of reflection, a pause to consider our place in the universe. To think about all those stars, those galaxies, stretching out into infinity. Each star, a potential solar system. Each galaxy, a collection of billions of stars. The scale is almost incomprehensible. We are just one small part of a much larger cosmic tapestry, a single thread in an endless expanse. Now, imagine our planet, Earth, just a tiny speck in all that vastness. From the perspective of space, our world seems so small, almost insignificant. Yet, it is our home, the cradle of life as we know it, a delicate blue dot suspended in the void. It's hard to believe that something so small could be so significant. Our planet, with its diverse ecosystems and vibrant life, stands out in the cosmos. It's a beacon of life in an otherwise seemingly lifeless universe. The more we learn about the universe, the more we appreciate the uniqueness of our home. But here we are, on this little blue planet, teeming with life. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life thrives in countless forms. Each species, each ecosystem plays a role in the delicate balance of our world. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. And how did it all begin? The story of our planet is a tale of cosmic events and geological transformations. It all started with the Big Bang, the moment when the universe was born. From that initial explosion, matter began to coalesce, forming stars, galaxies, and eventually, planets. How did this little speck, our home, come to be? The formation of Earth was a complex process, involving the accumulation of cosmic dust and gas. Over millions of years, these materials came together, forming a molten planet that would eventually cool and solidify. It's a story that stretches back billions of years, a story of cosmic dust, fiery collisions, and ultimately, the triumph of life itself. The early Earth was a hostile place, with volcanic eruptions and meteor impacts shaping its surface. But over time, conditions stabilized, allowing life to take hold and flourish. Are you ready to go on a journey? A journey through time and space, to witness the incredible events that led to the birth of our planet. We'll explore the mysteries of the cosmos and the wonders of our world, uncovering the secrets of our existence. Let's travel back in time and witness the incredible birth of our planet. From the fiery beginnings to the emergence of life, we'll see how our tiny speck in the vast universe came to be. Join us as we embark on this epic journey, a journey that will change the way you see our world and our place in the cosmos. Our story begins about 4.6 billion years ago, in a time when the universe was still young and full of potential. Back then, our solar system was just a giant cloud of gas and dust, called a solar nebula. This nebula was a vast, sprawling expanse, stretching across the cosmos, waiting for the right conditions to transform into something extraordinary. Imagine a cosmic cloud, swirling and churning in the vast emptiness of space. This wasn't a static scene. It was dynamic, full of motion and energy, with particles colliding and interacting in a cosmic dance. This cloud wasn't just any cloud, though. It was filled with the building blocks of planets, stars, and even you and me. Within this stellar nursery, elements like hydrogen, helium, and traces of heavier elements were present, all crucial for the formation of celestial bodies. As this cloud spun, gravity, the invisible force that pulls everything together, started to work its magic. Gravity is a fundamental force in the universe, and here, it began to shape the future of our solar system. It pulled the gas and dust towards the center, causing it to clump together. These clumps grew larger and larger, eventually forming planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Over time, this central clump became denser and hotter, eventually igniting into our very own star, the Sun. This ignition marked the birth of our solar system, a momentous event that set the stage for the formation of planets, moons, and all the other celestial bodies we know today. Around the newly formed Sun, a protoplanetary disk of gas and dust began to take shape. Within this disk, particles collided and stuck together, gradually forming larger bodies that would become the planets. The inner regions of the disk, where temperatures were higher, saw the formation of rocky planets like Earth. These young planets were initially molten, their surfaces glowing with intense heat. Further out, in the cooler regions of the disk, gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn began to form. These massive planets gathered vast amounts of gas and dust, growing to immense sizes. The early solar system was a dynamic and chaotic environment, with comets and asteroids frequently colliding with the forming planets. These collisions played a crucial role in shaping the planets and delivering essential materials, like water, to Earth. Over millions of years, the solar system began to stabilize. The planets settled into their orbits, and the once chaotic environment became more calm and orderly. This stability allowed life to eventually emerge on Earth, leading to the incredible diversity we see today. Now, with the sun blazing at the center, the leftover gas and dust were still swirling around it. But here's where it gets interesting. These tiny particles of dust started bumping into each other. They stuck together, kind of like cosmic dust bunnies. Over millions of years, these dust bunnies grew bigger and bigger. They became planetesimals, small rocky bodies, constantly colliding and sticking together. It was a cosmic game of bumper cars, with gravity acting as the ultimate referee. As our young planet continued to grow from these collisions, something amazing happened. The intense heat from all those impacts, combined with the heat from radioactive elements within Earth itself, melted the planet's core. This melting allowed the heavier elements, like iron and nickel, to sink to the center, forming Earth's core. Lighter elements, like silicon and oxygen, rose to the surface, forming the mantle and eventually the crust. Imagine it like a cosmic layer cake, with each layer telling a story of Earth's fiery past. Section 5. A moon's dramatic entrance. The giant impact. Earth was well on its way to becoming the planet we know and love, but there was one more dramatic chapter in its story. Scientists believe that early in its history, Earth collided with another Mars-sized planet. This colossal crash, known as the giant impact, blasted a huge amount of debris into space. This debris, caught in Earth's gravitational pull, eventually clumped together to form our moon. Talk about a dramatic entrance. Section 6. Space rocks. The late heavy bombardment. The early solar system was a pretty chaotic place. After the moon's formation, there were still a lot of leftover planetesimals and asteroids zipping around. For millions of years, these space rocks bombarded the inner solar system, including Earth. This period, known as the late heavy bombardment, sounds destructive, and it was. However, it also played a crucial role in shaping our planet. Scientists believe that some of these impacting objects may have delivered water and other essential ingredients for life to Earth. Section 7. And then, life. After the late heavy bombardment, things started to settle down. Earth cooled, oceans formed, and continents began to drift. And in this newly formed world, something truly remarkable happened. Life emerged. The exact details of how life began are still a mystery. But from those first single-celled organisms, life evolved and diversified, eventually leading to all the plants, animals, and yes, even humans that we see today. Section 8. Keep exploring with Scarhound. Welcome back, fellow explorers. Today, we embark on a journey that transcends time and space, delving into the very origins of our beloved planet Earth. So there you have it, the epic journey of Earth's formation, from a humble cloud of gas and dust. Imagine, billions of years ago, a swirling mass of cosmic particles began to coalesce, driven by the forces of gravity and the raw energy of the universe. Over eons, this chaotic cloud transformed into the vibrant planet we call home. From the fiery molten beginnings to the cooling crust that eventually gave rise to continents and oceans, Earth has undergone a remarkable transformation. It's a story of cosmic collisions, fiery beginnings, and the incredible resilience of life. Massive meteor impacts and volcanic eruptions played a crucial role in shaping the landscape, creating the conditions necessary for life to emerge and thrive. But the journey of discovery doesn't end here. Scientists and researchers continue to explore the mysteries of our planet, uncovering new insights and expanding our understanding of Earth's complex systems. There's so much more to explore about our planet, our solar system, and the universe beyond. From the intricate dance of planets orbiting the sun to the vast expanse of galaxies stretching across the cosmos, the universe is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be discovered. To keep feeding your curiosity and learn even more about the wonders of space and beyond, join us on this never-ending quest for knowledge. Whether you're stargazing in your backyard or diving into educational space videos, there's always something new to learn. Be sure to subscribe to Scarhound and give us a like. Your support helps us continue to bring you fascinating content and explore the mysteries of the universe together. Keep looking up and never stop exploring. The universe is vast, and there's always something new on the horizon. So, grab your telescope, keep your eyes on the stars, and let's continue this incredible journey together.